Cool. Okay. So like I said, I want to show you first how to transfer files between hubs, between teams. So let me hop over to Fusion and show you what we're talking about here. All right. And where's the maximizable? Okay, there we go. All right. So in the upper left-hand corner, if you have the data panel open, if you don't have it open, remember it's this little grid here. So it says show data panel. Open that up. And you will have, if you've responded to an invite, you will have your hub that you set up when you set up Fusion. I do not have two because they merged them a while back. I had my personal one, just like you do, and then the shared one, but they forced me to merge. So there we are. So I'm the host of the BSU 3DM. Yeah. I don't know what. But you cannot actively transfer files between those teams. So what I want you to do for our class is to start working on your models in class. Now, to do so, I'm going to go ahead and open up like our current model, the metal stamp or the metal logo stamp, whatever. And we'll go with like the test one I was working on. All right. Open up the example. This is just a test piece here. There we go. The old Rebel Scum, Rebel Alliance. All right. So to get this from one hub to the other, what you have to do is actually download that locally onto the computer itself, onto the hard drive, just like you were downloading any other file. So to do that, you go to the little file folder piece, click OK, go to export, not save as, but export. Save as is still going to save it into the cloud. This is the most direct way to do it. So, all right, your example for me, that's the label. All right, it's saving automatically as a Fusion or an Autodesk Fusion archive file .f3d, and it's going to my downloads. Always make sure you know where your files are going. That way you save it, and I don't remember where that went. So it's going to downloads. All right, export. It's going to give you a little pop-up. Export complete. Super duper. Now what you would do is go up here, change out your team. You were currently working on your personal one. Now you go and open it back up to the shared one. I can't do that at the moment, so I can only demonstrate so far, but you get the idea on that one. So I go there. Now, just skipping a step, might as well do this. Where do you want your file to go? Well, I'm going to open up the metal logo file folder. That's where I'm going to go. Go to upload, just here in the data panel. Yes, you can also do it in here, but upload right there, but might as well just go straight to it. All right, go to upload. Select files. It's going to bring it up. Downloads. The icon is very obvious. It's going to be the one highlighted. There we go. Open and upload. Pretty straightforward. It's going to give you a little blip bloppy bloop. Refresh. It'll give you a little pop up. Hey, thingy was updated. Now, one of the things you will note, and unfortunately I should have used something with a different example, but what will happen is all of the files we've been working with, you make multiple saves, all of that, you have your different versions. When you transfer, export, and re-upload, it zeroes out the old version. So that's why I want you to do this early on. If you've already moved ahead, if you've already been doing extrusions, really moved around with your model, that's okay. Doesn't matter. But you will unfortunately lose those different version models. Now, you will not lose all the history markers on the bottom or anything like that. It's just you lose the previous versions. That's it. Other than that, you're all set. So that's how you transfer files from one hub to another. It's a little workaround, a little convoluted, but fairly straightforward. That's it. If I can find my